Showing you my iPhone 12. That's right, look how thin this box is. I'm gonna unbox my iPhone 12. If you want to live like me, you gotta have the best tools on the planet. I'm one of the best men on the planet, one of the best on the planet, needs the best tools on the planet. Look at how thin this box is. Normally iPhone box like twice as big. I guess one of the surprises with this box is there is no charger. Thanks, Apple. But anyway, this is the Cobalt Blue. Nice ridge. There's like this really ridgy feel. I don't know if you see that. As if though this has just been pressed. Assembled in China by Apple in California. Okay, let's unbox this baby. You notice this? Notice this green arrow? Wow, watch this. Let's hope this works. Wow, look at that. Pops right off. Woo! Okay, that is really dope. Look at that. Wow, I don't even want to touch it. I don't even want to put any fingerprints on it. This is the life I live right here. This is the life I live. There it is. Okay. iPhone 12. Let's see. Wow. This little piece of paper here, I'm going to have to touch it. It's actually pretty sturdy. Designed by Apple. There's an interesting charger. This is a new kind of charger, I believe. Top of the line, man. Look at this. Okay, so let's pull this off here. This is, it says, it has a little charging symbol. That means your charger's right here, where you're gonna charge. And you've got your other symbols. I don't know why you need that. What are you dumb? Oh, wow. This is a really tacky, sticky piece of paper. Look at that. I've already got some dust on it. Look at that. That is dope-alicious. Wow. So the on is here. You've got obviously your little buttons here. You've got your on there. You can barely see it. Wow. Let's take a look at what's in here. This is a charger cord. Again, there is no charger in this box, and here's the Apple info that you need. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is the little Apple symbol. Then here's a little piece to pull your SIM card out and re-simulate yourself. Wow, okay. So apparently this takes a special kind of charger. Almost like, I guess, an Android type charger, but it still has the lightning. The lightning, I guess, goes in here. Oh, look at the back. Didn't even show you this back. Look at how gorgeous that is. Pretty gorgeous. I'm gonna try to get a see-through case. Okay, so the lightning plugs in tradition. It just fell off. Okay, I didn't have it locked in. Okay, so the lightning cord is your traditional lightning plug, right? Plugs right in right there. But there is, I'm gonna have to, I guess, get a charger block for this. That's wild. Okay, the moment you've all been waiting for, let's boot this bitch up. Holding it down, holding it down. Let's see what this does. Your Apple symbol, man, that looks actually, look how clean that looks though. Whoa, hello. Hello, swipe to open. Hola. All right, let's go through our languages. Swipe to open. Oh, wow, okay. Thanks for giving me no battery, Apple. Dope. Yeah, it's 5G, by the way, guys. 5G. I guess I'm gonna have to find a charger. Let's go English. Select my country. US. All right, quick start. All right, I'm not gonna go through this whole quick start because I don't got time for you people to do that. But there it is, iPhone 12. Be like me, get a 12. Your life will be much more improved.